Welcome back to the car updates. Few examples illustrate progress as clearly as the BMW 5 Series. Launched many years ago as a sport-oriented executive sedan, the 5 Series quickly became a benchmark for the balance between performance, luxury, and everyday usability. In 1990, the 5 Series stood as a quintessential driver's car, compact enough to feel agile, refined enough to offer comfort, and engineered with a focus on precision. Fast forward to 2026, and the 5 Series remains a centerpiece in BMW's lineup, but it has evolved into a technologically advanced, sophisticated vehicle that blends modern expectations with the core values that defined it in earlier generations. Traveling back to 1990, the 5 Series of that era exemplified what many enthusiasts refer to as a pure driving experience. The design language was crisp and purposeful. Straight lines, subtle curves, and a clearly defined grille gave the car a confident presence without exaggeration. The proportions were balanced: a long hood, compact overhangs, and a cabin positioned just right to provide both visibility and a dynamic stance. The engineering philosophy prioritized connection between the driver and the road. Steering was communicative, suspension responses were predictable, and feedback through the wheel and pedals felt engaging. This was not a quiet luxury car in the contemporary sense. It was a luxury car that also rewarded skilled driving. Under the hood of a 1995 series, you would typically find inline 6-cylinder engines that delivered smooth power and a character that was as much about torque delivery as it was about horsepower figures. These engines were naturally aspirated, relying on mechanical precision rather than forced induction. While they may not produce the peak power numbers of modern engines, their responsiveness and sound quality were defining features. The mechanical layout, paired with a manual or early automatic transmission option, created a sense of driving involvement that many purists still celebrate today. Inside the 1995 series, the cabin reflected the era's focus on functionality with comfort. Materials were durable and quality was solid. The driver's cockpit was oriented toward the person behind the wheel. Buttons and gauges were positioned intuitively, and the overall layout promoted logical interaction. Of course, this was an era before large touchscreens, advanced driver assistance systems, or digital displays. What existed was straightforward instrumentation and physical controls that felt reassuring to operate. In many ways, this simplicity contributed to a direct connection between human and machine. For 1990, the suspension and chassis tuning struck a balance that most drivers found agreeable. Firm enough to inspire confidence in corners, yet compliant enough to handle long road journeys, the 5 Series carved its reputation on its versatility. Whether cruising the open highway or navigating winding back roads, it felt composed and assured. Fast forward to 2026, and the BMW 5 Series has transformed into a very different machine, one that carries the DNA of its predecessors, but also embodies decades of innovation. On the outside, the design of the 2026 model speaks a language of modern sophistication. Sleek body lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and advanced lighting technology give it a presence that is both dynamic and elegant. The grille has grown, following contemporary styling cues, but it is integrated in a way that complements overall symmetry and functional airflow management. LED and laser lighting systems enhance visibility and reduce energy consumption, while subtle sculpting around the wheel arches and side panels improves aero efficiency without diminishing visual appeal. Drivers stepping inside the 2026 5 Series enter a cocoon of advanced technology and refined luxury. HD displays replace traditional gauges, presenting information clearly and intuitively. An integrated infotainment system offers connectivity features that were unimaginable in 1990. Navigation with real-time traffic data, voice controls, wireless device integration, and over-the-air software updates. Yet despite these advancements, the interior design philosophy still respects driver orientation. Physical controls remain where they make sense, and the layout emphasizes clarity rather than complexity. Under the hood, the 2026 5 Series offers a range of powertrains, including turbocharged gasoline engines, efficient diesel options, and hybrid configurations that combine responsiveness with reduced environmental impact. These engines are compact, highly efficient, and paired with advanced automatic transmissions that shift smoothly and quickly. Where the 1990 model relied on mechanical precision, the 2026 model benefits from computerized systems that adapt to conditions, driver intent, and even route characteristics. In terms of performance, the 2026 5 Series accelerates with authority. Acceleration figures are significantly improved over the older model, partly due to advanced engine technology and partly due to refined aerodynamics and reduced friction. But what truly defines the modern experience is not just raw performance numbers, it is the seamless integration of power, control, and confidence. Adaptive suspension systems adjust damping in real time. Steering systems offer precise feedback while reducing unwanted vibration, and a suite of driver assistance features helps with lane correction, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and parking. This does not mean driving has become passive. It means that modern drivers are supported in ways that enhance safety and comfort, while still allowing engagement when desired. The 5 Series of 2026 offers modes that range from relaxed cruising to dynamic performance, giving drivers choice and adaptability depending on the journey. Comfort in the 2026 model is also substantially elevated. Climate control systems use multiple zones and sensors to maintain ideal temperatures. Seat comfort is enhanced with multiple adjustment options, massage functionality, and memory settings. Cabin quietness has improved due to advanced insulation and active noise cancellation systems. Longer road trips feel less fatiguing, not just because of physical support, but because the environment inside the car is so refined. Comparing the 1995 series to the 2026 5 Series also highlights the evolution of safety. The older model relied on robust structural design and mechanical integrity, which were admirable for their time, but the modern version adds layers of protective and preventative systems. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure alerts, and more are part of an integrated environment designed to reduce risk before an issue escalates. These advancements do not replace human judgment, but they do extend human capability in complex driving environments. Another point of contrast is the shift in fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility. The 1995 series, with its naturally aspirated engines, consumed fuel in a way that reflected the technology of that era. In 2026, the combination of turbocharging, hybrid assistance, and engine management systems yields significantly better fuel economy, reduced emissions, and the ability to adapt engine output across different driving conditions. Hybrid models in particular demonstrate how modern vehicles can balance performance with environmental awareness. Real-world driving experiences between the two also differ significantly. With the 1990 model, a long highway journey was about connection, the sound of the engine, the feel of the road, and the direct feedback through the steering and chassis. With the 2026 model, long journeys are refined by comfort and technology enhancements that reduce fatigue. Roads that once demanded constant attention now feel more manageable with driver assistance, but the core joy of driving a well-made sedan still remains. From a design perspective, we see a clear lineage. The 1995 series expressed elegance through simplicity. Nothing was exaggerated, and every line served a purpose. The 2026 5 series expresses elegance through integration. Technology seamlessly incorporated into design, surfaces shaped not just for aesthetics but for efficiency, and a balance between expressive form and functional integrity. Looking at unique selling points, the older model sold on its purity of purpose. It was a driver's car at a time when that phrase carried specific weight: lightweight feel, communicative controls, direct mechanical responses. In contrast, the 2026 model sells on adaptability. It's a luxury sedan that excels in comfort, safety, intelligence, and performance, offering drivers a comprehensive package rather than focusing on a single attribute. For enthusiasts who grew up with the earlier generations, the 1995 series holds a special place: nostalgia, mechanical honesty, and the joy of a car that feels alive in the hands of its driver. For modern drivers, the 2026 5 Series represents what automotive advancement can achieve when tradition meets innovation. Luxury that does not compromise performance, technology that enhances rather than distracts, and safety systems that protect without diminishing the driving experience.